Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about the Bee Protectors reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is the online shopping store which is based in New Zealand, Australia, Canada, United States and United Kingdom that deals with theme-based or bee theme-based clothing options including sweatshirts, plant these save the bees t-shirts, etc. So you can take a look at the collection of this website. Apart from that, they are offering leaf ring 925 sterling silver ring and many other sweatshirts or t-shirts. So this is the product category list of this website, and talking about the price, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about other information, let's check out the shipping policy of this website as they have not mentioned the payment information. And talking about shipping policy, they have mentioned that the standard international shipping will be 7 to 14 business days. So this was about the shipping policy. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 9th of August 2020. The site is 6 months old guys, and this is a positive sign that define its legitimacy. But yes, we have also found some info regarding the domain creation date, which is that this is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to define its legitimacy. So let's talk about other information and let's check out the about us page of this website. So this is the about us page, and here they have provided limited information, but they have not provided the information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is again a negative sign guys. Now talking about contact details of the site, you can see they have not provided any information related to contact details. Only they have provided a query form, and the only way to connect with the customer representatives is this query form page. So this is not again a good sign. Now talking about social media presence, they have not provided a single social media icon on the web page, which is a negative sign. But according to our in-depth research, we have found the Facebook profile of this Bee Protector website. Now let's check out the return or refund policy of this website guys. And they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. So guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase experience. Now talking about the Bee Protectors reviews guys, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, and most of the customer reviews are negative. We have found negative customer reviews on the social media platform including Facebook guys. One of the customers said horrible customer service after complaint about product being poor quality, would definitely not recommend them, scam. Read the post and reviews. They have been saying for at least a year that their shop is shutting down, their products are horrible quality Chinese crap. So majority of the customers are not satisfied with the quality of this website and the quality of the products as well, and they are not satisfied with the customer service guys. Another customer said that the website appears to be scam. We do not recommend this website for purchasing. So these were the negative comments from the customer side. So this is a negative sign guys, which shows that the website may be suspicious, or the website needs to be work on the quality of the products or on the customer representative service. So guys, in the final conclusion, we would say the website is potentially legit and it's totally up to you. If you want to give it a try, if you want to purchase anything or any product from this website, then it's really very important to check out the entire information, whether it's related to the customer representative service or quality or any other information including contact details. So explore the entire information before making any online purchase, because your money is valuable, guys. So yes, we suggest you to check all the details provided on the site before making any online purchase. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, do comment about your thought regarding this video and hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert informative videos and legit informative videos, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.